All right, guys, we're here in Indiana, and I've got my new friend Neil,
Hey, guys.
who is the CEO of Taxa, and Taxa makes these really, really interesting new trailers. This is a brand that is new to the Storyteller family. That's the booth we're at. Neil, can you tell me about why someone would want something like this?
Hey, everybody, how's it going? So Taxa was designed and engineered by a guy named Garrett Finney, who was a space architect working for NASA. So literally, he was designing habitats for astronauts that had to be super lightweight, structurally strong, and in small spaces be able to do everything you need to do, live, work, play. And after his assignments at NASA, he brought all his design down to Earth, put 2 wheels on it, and called it Taxa. That was about 10 years ago. We're based in Houston, Texas, Space City. And right here we have actually the newest product we designed, and this was designed specifically to go behind a storyteller.
Okay.
It's called the Woolly Bully.
The Woolly Bully,
The
I
Woolly
like
Bully.
it. And you've got
All right.
one right there. You got the little caterpillar right there.
We got a little Woolly Bully, yep. And so what's awesome about this, when you think about it relates to storyteller, you got an outdoor kitchen. So you got your propane in this tank, you got a stove that comes out, all your kitchen.
Is this stainless?
This is stainless.
Okay.
Yep, super great, cleanable, sterile surface. You got all your kitchen stuff in here, your propane stove. You got power here with the Goal Zero, Yeti 1500.
Does the trailer come with that, or is that an upgrade?
Comes with it. It gets recharged with your connection to the vehicle.
Okay, so like while you're going along, this is topping off.
Getting recharged, topped off. So right here, so now all of a sudden with your storyteller, you got an outdoor kitchen.
That's
right?
pretty sweet.
It's pretty badass. Now you also got tons of storage. So in here, camp chairs.
Oh yeah,
got
look at that. It goes all the
deep
way back
storage
too.
right here, right? So you can get up to 4, we rock the Dometic chairs, 4 Dometics in there.
Wow,
and
those
it's
are not small.
They're not small, it's awesome, right? So now you got that, so you lock that up. Now over here, you've got 2 tanks, propane.
Look at
got
that.
room for 2 batteries. So you got a ton of power.
So what would you
ton of
use those
gas.
batteries for if you've got this
Just
battery?
additional power, man.
Okay.
You just,
I guess it can't hurt to
stay
have
out,
way
stay
more.
out longer.
Yeah.
Stay
All
out
right.
longer.
All right.
All right, now on this side, this is where it gets really cool. So we got total deep storage right here.
Oh my gosh,
look
at this.
We got hooks so you can kind of strap up stuff. So I rock a couple Dometic tables. They get strapped back there.
You can make a kid sleep
All
in
your
there.
sleeping stuff. Yeah, exactly. Secondary bedroom. This is what we call the dog house. If you're not doing good things and you get stuck in the dog house. And then we got more storage right here, right in this
Okay.
open space. Firewood, camp stove, anything that
that's
mind
cool.
getting exposed to the elements.
Sure.
Last big area of storage is right up here, this deck.
Got like this whole tray.
You got this whole tray. So you can put boxes up here. You can strap down paddle boards. You can put bike rack, kind of the crossbars here.
Okay.
For anything, any additional gear, toys you want. And then down here in the back, this is kind of cool. We have a couple different storage areas. And this is for tools and other things like that. Just keep them out of the way. But you got 2 boxes back here. Obviously, you can put a hitch there for a bike rack and things like that.
Okay, I was just thinking, what would you use that for? But
Yeah,
a bike
you
rack,
put
that makes a lot of sense.
Put bikes on there.
And then,
But this is the big idea here. So now all of a sudden you got a second bedroom. So if you're rolling with your family and you want the kids to sleep outside of the storyteller, put them up into the clamshell tent here. And this one in particular is fold out version. So you get a really extended kind of sleeping experience. So
right, so if you got like a taller family, maybe some
yeah.
older kids.
Yeah. You got teenagers, put them up there, rolling with another couple. You got a second bedroom here.
That's
and
pretty
then
neat.
Over here on the kitchen side, we've got a plug-in for fridge freezer. Right now,
that's
this
not
one's
tiny.
This one's running the IceCo.
And
Yep.
that's on these. And this, does a fridge come with it, or is it prepped for one?
No, prep for,
Okay.
and that's where your second battery up there is good.
Right, that makes sense.
You can power
yeah.
your fridge. And then it's got red lighting on the outside, so you can see stuff, not attract the bugs. And last, we got a Batwing awning from 23-0.
Okay.
This thing folds out.
It
and
comes
you got-
this direction.
Goes like this.
Oh wow!
So you got
oh, wow.
180 degree coverage.
That's
So
substantial.
That's the Woolly Bully X. And then one thing that makes it the X is that we have 3 different kinds of suspension systems.
okay.
We have a normal torsion axle, which
Okay.
is if you're just taking this camping, not off-road, that's perfect. And then we step up to a Timbren suspension for more light overlanding.
Yep.
And then this one is rocking a Cruise Master suspension out of Australia It's a shock and coil, and it's
So it's got like legit suspension on this thing.
State-of-the-art, legit suspension.
That's really
so you
cool.
can take this hardcore overlanding off-roading.
That's cool,
So,
man.
yeah, that's
Thank
the
you so much for that.
Woolly X.
Neil, where can somebody find out more about the brand? You know, where, like if they want to get one, where do they go?
Totally. Go to taxaoutdoors.com, and you'll see the whole lineup. We've got 5 different travel trailers. We call
Okay.
Habitats. Yeah, come check us out.
Hell yeah. Thank you
All
so
right.
much, Neil.
You got it, man.